welcome back to Get Updated Now, and here are Slurrp Farm, made by two mothers. Millet noodles cook in 4 minutes. This one is little millet and this one is foxtail millet. More refined flour, not fried. Zero junk promise.
So usually whatever noodles or whatever we buy, they are fried before they are packed. So this one is not fried, and we can like later fry a few veggies or add masala and fry, and then we can add the noodles. So we are going to follow the steps that are here, and we'll make foxtail millet first. So when you look here, like in here, you can see the quality, and yes, they are not fried at all. Yes, so you can have a close look at the noodles. The water is almost boiling now, and we will add the noodles in here, which we should cook for at least 4 to 5 minutes. So here it goes. Now we'll let it be there for 4 to 5 minutes. So you can see here it says cook the noodles in 500 ml boiling water for 4 minutes. So it's here in the boiling water for 4 minutes. Okay, and then we are going to drain the hot water and rinse the noodles with cold water. 5 minutes are over, and this is how it is. After 5 minutes, this is the condition of our noodles. So I'm gonna drain them now, as it was written in the instruction. So yeah, we'll drain the hot water and we'll rinse the noodles with cold water. Now here are the noodles. We have drained the hot water and we have washed them with the cold water too. Now we'll go to the pan. All right, so here comes the oil. Just a little will be enough, I think. First we are adding this garlic. Garlic usually tastes good when, with noodles, so a little. And then we will add the peas. So in vegetable, this is only what we are adding. You can add more if you want. And then we will add the masala. The smell of this masala is similar to Maggi masala. So if you want to add more masala, or if you like it spicy, then you can add Maggi masala, like extra Maggi masala, if you feel this is not enough. So we'll just let it be for a while in the oil. So it's completely up to you if you want to add more oil or less oil. Okay, we'll let this be for a while. We can add carrots too, but for now just wanted to do this quickly, and I don't want to go and buy carrots because there are no carrots at home. So we can add tomato too, tomato puree also, but then I just want to have this original taste first. Okay, I think this is ready. Now we'll add the noodles. Here are the noodles, and I've mixed them well with the masala that and I could have added more peas, but next time, because this was the first time we are making this, so it's like this. So this is the final look. Now we can serve it and enjoy it. So yeah, here it is, ready to go. I'll turn off the flame. Yeah. The smell is really nice. You can smell the masala that we have added, and it has a little sweet taste to it. So I guess there's some sugar in the masala. So if you wanna add a different masala, it's completely up to you, because first you have this chance of preparing the noodles, and then you can add your own stuff, whatever you like. Alright, so I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.